All right, here you go again. I got the radiator removed with the condenser. So I'm gonna tell you how you could get this out without struggling. First, you move the top radiator hose over here to the right side of the car, but I'm facing the car, so this will be the right side. Move the top radiator hose. Then you got a line, a high pressure line that's down there. Unbolt that screw, screw it back, pull the line out. Then what you want to do is you want to come over here. Then that's when you can lift this side up a little bit. First, you move the top cooling line hose for the transmission. There's a transmission at the top. Unbolt that. It's a clamp on it. Squeeze it, or if you got one of the twisters, remove that. Then you can lift the radiator up on this side and get the lower hose on the bottom that goes to this, which is the return. Then you lift it up and screw it out. Then that's when you could pull this side up to unbolt the low side of the AC line. Simple. Now you see that I got it out. I need to get to that harmonic balancer bolt right there in the middle. Pull all these brackets and stuff off. And when you got a camera like this, it's a good time to take a picture of this belt. That way you ain't got to go look it up and everything. You can just take a picture of it. Or you can look at your own video. You know what I'm saying? But this is part 2. Now, when I show you again, I'm not going to show you that I remove all of the pulleys, the bracket, out of the belt. I'm going to show you the inside when I come back. Now I'm about to move the brackets, the 2 pulleys, remove the belts, and then I'm going to start unbolting that plate to get to the timing, get behind there where a water pump is. All right. Same thing, timing as well. All right, peace out.